You've been trying to lose weight for years, and you've tried every fad diet. And there's another one that recently caught your attention.
It's so good.
After all, some celebs say it works.
I love it.
The marketing says it's a fast way of losing weight, detoxifying your liver, and giving you clearer skin. The juice diet, or fast, involves only consuming fruit and vegetable juice for 3 to 7 days. It's a diet and cleanse in one. And it has natural, healthy ingredients, so it must be good, right?
Right.
This is Your Body On, the juice diet. Where did this juice fad come from? To find out, let's go to our favorite foodie historian, Liz from Origins of Food.
Thanks, Jarman. Drinking juice for medicinal purposes goes back thousands of years. There's even a recipe in the Dead Sea Scrolls. But the modern juicing trend began in 1975 with the opening of the Beverly Hills Juice Bar. Its owner, David Otto, believes that juice can rid your body of toxins and all sorts of nasty stuff. Recently, the juice diet went from a curiosity to a craze as celebrities like Gwyneth Paltrow started extolling its virtues.
So I try to have a smoothie that has some good fat and some protein and some fiber.
If you're thirsty for more juice history, check out our episode of Origins of Food.
Thanks, Liz. Sounds juicy. What will the juice diet do to your body? And could you gain weight? Benefits of fruit and veggies. Fruits and vegetables contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fiber helps lower your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. It contains sugars that release slowly into your system and help stabilize your blood sugar levels. Fruits are full of vitamins A, C, E, and K. They are all good for your body. But juicing can make some of those seem to disappear. Juicing. When your meals are just the pulpless juice from fruits and vegetables, you're not getting the fiber or any of its benefits. What happens to all those sugars in the fiber? Well, you don't lose those. They're released into the juice as free sugars, allowing them to enter your bloodstream much faster. Your blood sugar level will spike and signal your pancreas to release insulin. Your cravings will also increase. And when your blood sugar level drops, you could have headaches and brain fog. Also, if you're not eating any solid food, you won't have any dietary fat in your intestines. Without fat, your body can't absorb vitamins A, E, and K. So all you'll be getting is vitamin C, which helps support your skin's collagen structure, but you'll be missing out on the other vitamins.
Fluids, vitamins. Okay?
Okay, vitamins aside, will meals of only juice at least give you more energy? Calories. When you're dieting, the amount of calories you consume becomes very important. Juicing that orange should lower the calories, right? After all, you're removing all of the pulp. Remember those free sugars we mentioned earlier? Because they're absorbed into your bloodstream so fast, you get more calories. There are 110 calories in 1 cup of orange juice, but only 65 in the orange. Orange, you glad you paid attention? Effects. Not eating solid foods for a few days will lower the amount of fat and refined sugars you consume. This might help you lose some weight, but the high amount of calories in your juice could have the opposite effect. And vitamin C may help your skin tone improve slightly, but you won't be getting the protein and fat healthy skin needs. Depending on which fruit and vegetables you're juicing, you could increase the amount of potassium in your body. This will force your kidneys to work harder, and some juices could interfere with any medications you're taking. Regular juicing for more than 6 months could make your body insulin resistant during sugar spikes, and that could lead to you developing diabetes. You could also lose muscle mass. Although it's not as nutritious as eating solid fruits and vegetables, juice can be an important part of a balanced diet. Let's emphasize the word balanced. Juice works best when you drink it with healthy fats and protein. Before starting any diet, talk to your doctor to make sure it's okay for you. The juice diet is just one of the many health crazes out there. We'll show you 10 of the most extreme diet fads on another episode of Your Body On.